Hi everybody, I wanted to take just a minute to show you how to navigate our Blackboard course. So this is the My Blackboard page. Blackboard is the learning management system that we use here at the college. I'm going to click on our English course. You always want to be sure that you check the announcements for any updates to the course that you need to be aware of. Open the course, and this is what it's going to look like on the course homepage. We have, again, the announcements. We have messages here. These are the messages that I've sent to you within the course. And here you have a report card. And this report card is going to give you your current average for all of the courses you have a role in. So it's not really the grade book for our course. This is a report card, a snapshot of all of your averages for all of the courses that you use here at the college that use Blackboard. Over here on the course menu, we have course announcements. Again, another place for you to look for the most current information. And then we have course email. This is the email tool that you need to use when you want to email me. I do not want you accessing, I'm going to go back out to the My Blackboard page. If you email me using this tool here, it actually just goes to my SBC email address and will probably get lost in the long list of other emails. So do not use this tool. Instead, you're going to enter the course and use the email tool here. And this keeps it all contained within our course. To create a message, you just click Create Message. 2, you're going to select my name from the list and move it over to Recipients. Then you will type a subject and a message, and then you will submit it. It works a lot like most email clients do. This is also where you'll come to check your inbox. If you have any messages that I've sent you, they'll be here in your inbox. And so you need to be checking both the course announcements and your course email often, every day. We have here a link to the grade book, which will have all of your current grades in it. We have a link to the grading rubrics that'll show you how your response papers are going to be graded, how your essays are going to be graded, and then here we have a link to technical support. I'm going to go back up to course modules, and I skipped it on purpose. If I click on course modules, it's going to take me really to the meat and potatoes of our course. And this link, course welcome and information, is the same thing as going here and then here. It takes you to the same spot. I just put it on here a couple of different times so that everybody's sure to find it. Once you complete the stuff in the course welcome and information module, here on course modules, you'll have access to module 1, and that's what you're shooting for. All right, so I'm going to go into this course welcome and introduction module. I have the getting started document. You'll want to spend some time reading that. Then I have the syllabus listed here. This will be important for you to review because you'll have to take a quiz on it. I have the course structure here, and this document is going to tell you for each module what we'll be doing and what you'll be turning in. The items in red here are what you'll be turning in for each module. You have the course calendar here, and the course calendar will allow you to see all of the due dates for all of the stuff we have coming up for the entire semester. You want to keep a close eye on that. Then you click here to register for text alerts, super important. There's MindTap registration instructions here, and this is where you'll click to register for MindTap. Please note that you have to turn off your pop-up blocker in order to access MindTap. And then you have the syllabus quiz here. You'll take the quiz, and again, once you've made 100, when you go to course modules, you'll be able to see all of the content in the course modules. So I'm going to pretend that I've done that there. All right, module 1, I'll open that folder. I have an overview here of what we're going to be discussing. It looks a little bit different. What we'll be discussing in this module. I have a folder that has all of the reading assignments for this particular module. Again, you'll want to keep an eye on the due dates. I have a folder for video lectures. I have a folder for MindTap homework. These are all of the MindTap assignments you'll do for this particular module. Then we have the plagiarism quiz, and part of the reading and video lectures covers plagiarism. That's something we need to be aware of as we move into Unit 2, so you'll have to take the plagiarism quiz. And then here we have our response paper. You'll download the instructions and let me know if you have any questions about this. So this is Module 1, and if we look back at under Course Welcome and Information, and we look at our calendar again, you can see that Module 1 is going to close on February the 1st. So we have just less than 2 weeks, just under 2 weeks to complete Module 1. You want to get started on that as soon as possible, and those MindTap exercises can be quite lengthy, and so I would advise that you get started now, that you try to figure out how much you need to read and how many exercises you need to do, and how much of it needs to be done each day in order to get finished in before the deadline. As you read over the syllabus, you will see that no late work is accepted for any reason, and so it's super important that you plan ahead and make sure that you have all the content done in advance, especially by the due date. If you have any questions as you work through the content, be sure to let me know. I know my screen is really small here on the calendar, but if I click on Agenda, it'll list it this way. That might be a little bit easier for you to see. You can also print out the calendar if you need to. If you have any questions about how our course works or where you need to go, be sure to get in touch with me again using the course email tool. I look forward to working with you this semester, and I wish you luck in your first module.